Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to download iMovie on your iPhone, and I'll also be showing you a little bit how to use it, and that includes green screen and trimming and exporting the video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on your App Store and go to search, and then just type in iMovie. Search that up. I already have mine downloaded, but it would just say, instead of open, it would say get. So you would just click that and then let it download, and then you can either go straight into here or go and look for it in your phone deeper if you wanted to. Anyway, I'm just going to click mine open right here. So it's going to bring me right into it. And then for starting a new project, what you're going to want to do is click on the plus tab, and then just click on movie. A trailer is something where it's like already put in for you. We're not going to be doing that today. I can show you guys, if you want to see another video like this, how to use that particular, like how that would work. But that's not for today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on movie, let that download, and for me, I'm going to go ahead and just choose 2 quick little clips. So I'm just going to do that one, and I think that's it for right now at least. So this is my video. It's already been pre-edited before, but it's just the video I'm going to use since it's my logo. So let's say I don't really like having this part already come up. Maybe I already want the trout already there. So I'm going to go and click it and click split. And then I'll just go and delete. So then trout will already be there, and it'll look something like this. And then I see how there's like a blackout right there. If I'm doing like a green screen effect, I would not want that. So what I would do is just go and split that as well and delete that. There's also presets. If you click that little like 3 circles right there, there's like, you can get a black and white or different kind of things, or like a dreamy kind of look if you're doing like a dream sequence, or like a silent film. That's also pretty cool. Anyway, so after that, you're going to go, and if you want to add like words to it, you can, but I already have words on mine, so I'm not going to do that. And you also can change the volume and freeze your frame or speed it up or something like that if you would like. I usually don't do that unless I'm using some kind of like special effects to it. Anyway, so then I'm going to, for this video, I'm going to go ahead and add another video on top of it, which this right here is how you would do the green screen effect. So you click the plus right there, and then for me, I'm just going to go to all my moments and go and find my green screen video. This one I'm using is from a long time ago. I think it's from like last year. But I'm assuming that you would already have it way up there. You wouldn't have to scroll through. Like me. So here is my video. So for green screen, what you're going to want to do is you're not going to want to click the plus unless you're just wanting to add it and it's not a green screen. But because it's a green screen, you're going to click those 3 dots on the side, and you're going to go to green screen / blue screen. You can do green screen with either a blue screen or a green screen, but I just had a green screen available, so I just used green. And then see how it's sort of like there was something behind us, and there's like a little green tint as well. I'm just going to go and click on that clip, and then go to the very top, go to the strengthen, and turn it all the way up. That way it actually looks like they're in like a film or something, or a different kind of place or something like that. Anyway, so that is how you do it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get on to the iMovie computer version. So now I have opened up iMovie, and this is on my MacBook. So it's the iMovie symbol. So what you're first going to do is create a new project. So for here, you're going to go ahead and you can click here to import your media. For me, I'm just going to use a picture and my intro. So you would just drag it on to the timeline. And let's say you wanted to trim it like a little bit like the last video, you would just go and hit control, and it would do split clip, and that's what you're gonna want. And that's same for the iMovie as well, just always split. It's just easier for that. Or what you could do if you really wanted to is just shorten it if you don't really want to do that way. So yeah, there's two different ways you can do that. Yeah, so that's how much you pretty much edit a video, is just splitting it and everything. So there's that. And then you also can like drag clips, like if you wanted to do like a picture in picture, you could do that too. Or like a split screen effect is just splitting it for you automatically. But I would rather just do the picture in picture, because then you can place this wherever you want. Let's say you want it like right here. So if you guys want more videos like this, please comment down below and let me know. And if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment down in the comment box. I'll be checking it regularly. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.